Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on a HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to demonstrate that you can follow someone on Pinterest. So to be honest with you guys, that's a very simple and straightforward thing to do. First of all, open up the Pinterest profile or account of the user that you would like to follow. Let me find somebody myself. And once on the account page, just hit that big and red follow button. And as you can see, that will result in you following this particular Pinterest account. Alrighty, so that will be it for today's video guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.